If you are waiting for a raise or for the government to help you or for your boss to notice you, just stop. No one's coming to save you. People who win in America today, they own something, they build something, they create something. So stop asking and start creating. And this is red, white, and revenue. Hey guys, I'm not some kind of Wall Street hotshot. I'm just a guy who didn't even come from money. I'm just really tired of working for not enough money, so I decided to figure out how wealth really works in America. So the real dream never died. It just got buried under many bad advices. So first of all, they tell you go to school, get a job, work 40 hours a week, work 40 years until you get retired, and hopefully you're gonna have enough money to retire. But that's not the freedom, really, that's not. It's just a survival. So the real American dream in 2025 is the freedom. It's owning your own time, owning your own money, owning your own income, owning your own skills. And to make it happen, all you need to do is 3 things. Have commitment, have a courage, and the hard work. If you really want to win today, you gotta understand 4 basic things. Number 1, cash flow beats job security. So for example, if you have 8 to 5 steady job, you have consistent income, you feel like everything is well, and one day you lose that job, what happens? You panic, right? So it's not a true freedom, is it? Number 2, assets beat status. So that means lots of people trying to show off their expensive jewelry, expensive purses. They go to social events like NBA games, NFL games, lots of expensive stuff. Nobody really cares about it. You're not surprising anyone with it. What they care about, how you pay for those things. How you pay for those in your sleep, when you're with your family. That's the most important thing. Number 3, skills beats degrees. Why? So if you finish college, you spend 4 or 5 years, in some cases even 7. So you learn lots of stuff. You feel like you did, right? But nowadays, with the technology available out there, you can go on social media, you can go on YouTube, you can go online. You can learn the same stuff within 4 to 6 months, if not less. It's really up to you. It's available. The media library is everywhere. Number 4, hard work always beats motivation. So everybody says, oh man, I'm so motivated. I want to work. I want to make money. I'm ready to go. Well, motivation is a temporary feeling. You lose it. After a while, if you do the same thing over and over and over, you lose it, losing effect of that moment. So you quit. Usually people quit, but when hard work comes in place, it makes you go back and do it over and over and over consistently. And that's when you really build wealth. And this is really what red, white, and revenue is about. It's not about luxury cars like Lambos and stuff. It's not about crypto hype. It's not about fake gurus. It's a real strategies. It's a real result. It's a real talk. So I'll be sharing wins that help me build my businesses, and I'll share mistakes that I made that almost destroyed them. So you can find your way to build your own success and freedom. So if you are tired of waiting for someone to show you how to live better, you're probably one of us. And this is red, white, and revenue. Built, not bought. Earned, not inherited. Hit the subscribe button below. Let us know what freedom really means to you, and we will build it together.